Whenever we're designing spaces or thinking about spaces, we try to think of it from the dog's perspective, and they are weird and they're quirky, and we're weird and quirky. And so we try to add those elements into our spaces. The space itself is beautiful and it's great, and I love coming to work here, and really do think it's more about the people and recognizing the dogs and kind of our bark pack that we have here in Columbus. We built a cubby in each one of our work neighborhoods so that our employees could climb up in there with their dogs and kind of lounge and relax and spend the day working. We also built in a pup play area in this office, which we hadn't had previously, but wanted to give our employees a place where they could take their pups, let them roam off leash, and sit in there and work. On my team, we like to think that while everybody here is supporting the customers, our customers are our employees. And so we do whatever we need to do to make sure that they feel supported and valued and happy in the space.